Welcome to another Google Chat tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Chat dark mode. I'm going to be showing you how to do so on both PC and phone. All right. First up on PC, just go ahead and open up your Google Chat. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on or click on the gear icon. Click on it. Now, in these options, go ahead and select Appearance. Click on it. And as you can see, under Appearance, again, you'll be able to find dark mode. As you can see here, as easy as that, you're now on dark mode. Now, to do that on phone or the phone version, just open up the Google Chat app. Now, once you're in here, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on it, and as you can see, settings is available. Just go ahead and tap on it. And in here, under theme, right here, tap on theme. And as you can see, dark mode is available as well. Just go ahead and tap on it and wait for it. As you can see here, we are now on dark mode. And that's basically how we do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.